Pepper here. Good. Good job, Pep. Here. Good. Down. Gotta shut the door. No down. Good. Let AC, it's hot out here, baby. Okay, let's go. Hey everyone, I'm Chance Perez with Delta Canine Solutions here with board and trained Pepper. Pepper from Mississippi. I got with Pepper. She's got a lot of pep in her. Here. Pepper was very, very high, energetic, no boundaries, jumps on people, likes to have that little young dog nipping stuff still going on. She's about 8 months old. Very pleased with Pepper. Good job, girl. Nice work. And we're just showing you some of her off-leash work. Very pleased with Pepper. We're going to take her back in now. Y'all saw all the good manners that she had when I called her off place. Came to the door, laid down, wait patiently until I told her to come on out. She was patient and let me shut the door. Down. No down. Good. And it's the same thing going in the door. Sometimes she's going to leave you there. So we had left Pepper outside the door. She's in that little cubby. That little corner there. I can't quite see her. But she's right in that corner there. You'll see her if she goes to move. Outside. She can't see me. I can't see her. The last thing I told her was down. So she's doing phenomenal at that. Check her out here. Good job. You like that shade spot, don't you? Okay, baby. Place. No place. Good job, Pepper. Thank y'all for watching. Very pleased with Pepper. I'm sure owners are going to be very, very pleased with her. Y'all have a good day.